Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can import your data from the Google Chrome web browser to your Arc web browser, including your browsing data, autofill, bookmark websites, cookies, and so on and so forth. So let us show you how to do that, guys. Head over to your Arc web browser and click on that icon in the top left. And after that, select import from another browser here. After that, pick the browser you would like to import the data from, like Opera, Edge, Chrome, or Brave. So let me go with Chrome here. Click on next there. After that, select your Arc profile you would like to import your data to. So I have already created an Arc profile. If you haven't done that yet, create one by clicking on that button here, create a new profile. But I will go with my existing Arc profile. And that's basically it. Confirm by clicking on import here. And after that, simply select, for example, choose your bookmarks, for example, you would like to keep in your new data. And that's basically it. As you can see, all that data has been successfully imported, so that you may now, for example, browse through the internet here in Arc using your browsing data, bookmarks, cookies, and so on and so forth from Google Chrome. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.